I will show you how to export this chart and then the data of the chart into the files. So if you want to export the chart, and then it will become the PNG file or the picture file. And then if you want to export the data, then it becomes the CSV file or Excel file in this case. So I will duplicate this view so later you can compare line for line, two of them. Okay, so I duplicate this one, and then I will name this one page 3. Okay, so page 3 will collide for line with the page 2, but I will add one more thing, which is the data frame in this case. So instead of using the data frame like 3 of them like this, uh, I will combine all 3 of them together in the same place in here. So and I will name this one uh, x1, and then this one I will name x2, and then the last one in here I will name x3. Okay, so x3 will be like this. Okay, so the chart will be the same in this case, and then I have to change here in this case x1, and then x2, and then x3. Okay, so until now I think everything is the same except for the x3 here. Okay, so 3 of them will be here. And then if I run this one, uh, it will give me the same picture, but the code will be different. Okay, so I think I don't have to write the chart in here, but I can write in here also. Now the next one I want to do is just to display the data frame here for you to see as well. So I will do this one to the D. Actually, I can so after this I find that actually I don't need the G anymore, because last time I used the G to print, but then now I don't need the G anymore. So I just everything directly to the array or the chart, the list of charts. Okay, so in here I want to show something called the annotation custom of the table in here, of the data in here. This one will give me the data. I need to use a table group in order to change the data into the drawing table, and then I want to take the head of the data as well to put in the D. Okay, so after this I will have the table here. Okay, so you have the table with 3 variables. So this one will be the x1 in here. This one will be the x2 and then x3. If you want to put the title of for each of the chart here, you can put ggplot, gt title, sorry, and then x1 unif. Okay. So you can do the same thing with x2 and then x3 as well. So x2 in this case, which is the normal distribution, this one uniform, and this one will be the exponential. X3 will be the expo, so distribution. Okay, so after this, if you run uh, the um, the chart, and then you see the title as well. So this one also has the title. If you want to, you can also copy the title in here and then make it raw data, input data. So you know that this the last one is the input data for everybody in here. Okay, so that's how it works uh, for for the titles and also the chat data. So you have now you have the list of four um, charts in the view in this frame as well. Oh, you can compare line for line already. So this one, page 2, you don't have the title in here, and then you see a lot of things going on, but then in here you can have the title and then the input data, uh, and then you see x1, x2, and x3 here as well. Uh, so this is where we want to export the data and also the picture. Okay, so I will show you how to export the picture in the first place. So I use the file path here, and normally I will use the file path function with the system environment to get a user folder profile. So this one is important because in all the computer, all the Windows system, and maybe all the Linux system as well, there will be the old user folder, and then you just take the desktop of the folder, the desktop of the user folder, and then you take the table. Uh, figure one dot png here, and then you have the output file. So what I say here is just I want to save this picture in the file figure one dot png in my desktop. That's it. And then now I need to do this the same thing in here. So I need to do png file equal to fp width. Actually, there's a width equal to this frame, but I want to specify the width. In this case, I want to specify 1006 600, and then the height, which is 900, and then I will copy the same thing here. So basically, you can change this one as well, but I will copy the same thing, meaning that this picture and the picture in the figure 1.png will be the same. And then after this, I need the to close the device off. Okay, so after I close the device, it will write the picture into my file here for me. Okay, let me run this one and then see the picture inside. Okay, so now you have the picture in here already, figure one here already, and I can browse this one with, okay, so I can use the any photo function or the pen function to open it, but I can also choose to open in the my browser as well. So for example, if I come here and then if I put the picture inside uh, my browser, it will also give me the picture as well. And then this one also means that whenever I change the picture inside my Power BI, it will change in here also. You can see here the size is 1,600 690. So if I change this one into, for example, 800 instead of 900, it will also change in in here as well. So if you go back to this one and then you refresh, it will give you 800 in here. Okay, so that's how it works. uh, and then now you can think that actually your Power BI link to your browser as well. In this case is linked to my Chrome browser as well. Okay, so that's the first part, to export the data into the export the picture into the data file. You can do the same thing with the so I copy here. I will, this one I will export to table one dot, oh my god, random CSV, so that it will give me the CSV file as well. To write the CSV file uh, to write the values to the file uh, fp, and then rows names for, because I don't want the row's name to appear in my CSV file. So that's it. What I say here is just can you write that the values in this data frame, or this one also, write this data frame to the file CSV, the table one random here, .csv in my desktop as well. So after I run this, I also expect to see table one random in my in my desktop, and then I also want to drag this into here, and then to see somehow it doesn't allow me to open the um, CSV file, but can I do this? Table one random .csv. So it doesn't. In this case, I cannot do this in Chrome, because it doesn't view, but it's just download the file. So this one doesn't help me to view this one, but later you can just export the file. You learn a new trick to export the file to HTML format, and then you can preview the file as well. Okay, so hopefully after this, you know how to combine the data, the different data together in the same data frame, and then you know how to visualize the data frame as well, and then also to export the data frame, the chart into the PNG file, and then export the data into the CSV file.